Today I'm going to talk about some drugstore products that I cannot live without. Now, live without might be a little too much, but you get the idea. I have repurchased these products so many times and I will continue to repurchase them as long as they are available, and I'd be so mad if they get discontinued. And I kid you not, I have an extensive amount of makeup. This chest over here, it's full of makeup, and I have one shelf right in front of me just full of my eyeshadow palettes. So if I am repurchasing a product, that means only one thing: these are the best. So hang tight, we are getting right into it. Now, the first product that actually inspired me to do this video is this guy over here. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder, and I'm in the shade 15 Light. This is my third container. Can you believe it? Like, I have gone through two of them already, and this is actually my fourth time purchase. I purchased the last one back in November, just before my trip to India, and I gave it to my sister-in-law who loved this product so much. I gave it to her, and ever since I came back, I want to do my makeup and I reach for this powder and I remind myself, oh, I do not have it in my collection, and I did not like that. I immediately ran out and buy one for me because the formula of this is so high quality, so high end. It's so finely milled. The tint in it is just perfection, and the best thing about this powder is I can actually use it to set my under eye area as well as to set my entire makeup, and it just does not make anything look super duper dry or crusty. I have dry skin, and it just gives me that beautiful soft airbrushed look to my face, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I will definitely continue to repurchase this product. It is bomb. Next is this setting spray from Milani. This is their Make It Last setting spray, and you have no idea how many of them I have gone through. I think I have gone through at least 5 or 6 of them. This is a huge bottle and I'm already running low, and I'm definitely going to repurchase it because this is the only drugstore setting spray that I feel like make a difference. Like, it just sets my makeup, and I have seen a noticeable difference whenever I use it versus whenever I do not use it. And it's safe to say this guy over here gives solid competition to all my high-end setting sprays because I often reach for it over my high-end setting sprays. This stuff is amazing. For example, I have run out of my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. That one is also good, but I do not feel the urge of running out and buying it immediately. I will buy it eventually, but for this, I need it as soon as I finish it. I need to run out and grab it. This is 10 on 10. This powder from Flower Beauty, it's the best on the market, and this is a very nice dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one, and this is actually my third compact, and I have already hit pan on this one as well. I feel like this has a superpower of making any foundation look good on me. Whenever I wear it, it just gives me that soft airbrushed effect on my face, and I often reach for this one over my high-end powders. Like, when I visited India, I took only this one and my Charlotte Tilbury one with me, and that says how much I like it. Today I'm wearing it on my face, and every time I look at the mirror, my base just looks so flawless. By the way, the foundation that I'm wearing, it's a dud. I'm not loving the foundation. I'm talking about the powder. Like, I applied my foundation, did not love it. As soon as I applied it on top, it just made everything look so beautiful, flawless, and smooth. This is such a beautiful product, and I do not know why people do not talk about it. It needs more attention. Now, Milani again. This is my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer. This is again my third time purchase. This is the shade 145. It is a perfect match for my skin tone. I do have the shade 135 that I use underneath my eyes as well as to highlight the high points of my face. Now, this is probably the best drugstore concealer that I have ever used. Ever. The coverage is full. It's a full coverage. It does not crease. It just makes my under eyes look so smooth. Like, every time I wear this concealer underneath my eyes, it always reminds me of my beloved Dior concealer, and that concealer is around $40. High-end luxury. But That concealer is super smudge proof, budge proof, and it does not settle underneath my eyes, and same goes with this concealer over here. And I am kind of thinking, is it a dupe? Because this also does not crease, does not move, does not budge, does not settle underneath my eyes. Like, I cannot say enough good things about this concealer. It is a must have, and I will definitely keep on repurchasing this product over here. The next product is again from Milani, and this is their Stay Put eyeliner pencil, and this is the shade After Dark. This is basically a black kajal pencil, and if you watch my eye makeup tutorials, I use this one in almost every video of mine because the formula is super creamy and jet black. Do you see the pigmentation? Like, it is super duper duper black. And the best thing about this is when I apply it on my waterline, it just stays put throughout the day. It does not smudge, does not budge, does not move. I can use it as my eyeliner as well. This is like one of the best eyeliner pencils I have ever tried, be it at drugstore or high-end, and I have tried quite a lot, trust me. The only product that comes even closer to it is the Plum Kajal, but this one is the best, and I do not think I need any high-end eyeliner after trying this one. And I have gone through at least 5 or 6 of them. This stuff is good. Let's talk about some makeup tools. These Wet n Wild sponges, I have been raving about them ever since they were launched. This is like my ride or die favorite sponges out there. I have already repurchased one set last time I visited my Walmart. These sponges are the best. They just blend my makeup with so much ease, and it just makes everything look flawless, smooth. And if you do not want to run out and buy a $20 beauty sponge, that is totally fine, my friend. This got you covered. I literally cannot do my makeup without using this e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer these days. This is my second time purchase, and this is such a beautiful formula. Whenever I apply it, it just makes my skin look so velvety smooth, and the beauty happens when I apply my foundation on top. My foundation just applies really smoothly, and it looks hydrated, but it is not a hydrating primer. I do not know how to explain that. I have used it in New Orleans heat, and New Orleans heat is something that you do not want to ignore. Like, it just makes my makeup last all day long, and on top of that, it just gives me such a beautiful smooth finish. This is like whenever my skin is going through a really rough patch and I want to wear a foundation, I put it on and it just makes my foundation look smooth. It is the best. Next, this Tinted Skin Hydrator, or it is basically a skin tint from Wet n Wild, and I got the shade Tan Medium Deep. Literally, it is my third tube. I have gone through 2 of them already. Can you believe it? Like, this is the only drugstore skin tint that actually works for me, that does not leave your face without even saying you goodbye. You know what I mean. So this gives you a sheer to buildable medium coverage, and it just looks so smooth on the skin. Like, if I wear it, it lasts on me for a solid 6 to 7 hours, and it's so smoothing. It does not emphasize any texture. It gives me a natural finish, and on really humid and hot days as well, it performs really well. So yeah, I will continue to repurchase it as long as it is available. This contour slash bronzer stick from Wet n Wild, I do not know why people do not talk about it. These are legit hidden gems at the drugstore, and this is my second time repurchasing it. I completely ruined the last one that I had, and this is the shade where is Walnut. It is a beautiful, slightly warm, it's not like too cool toned, not too warm toned bronzer, and it just works so beautifully to like contour slash bronze up my face. And this shade is just perfection. The formula is perfection. It is so creamy, so easy to blend, easy to work with, and the lasting power, you guys, it lasts throughout the day. Like the other day I went to Snowshoe Mountain here. I did my makeup at around, I should say, 8:30 in the morning, and I came back at around 10:30, and I can still see my contour, like my bronzer here on my jawline, here on my cheeks, and I was like shocked. This bronzer is super duper duper long lasting, and it is around, I should say, $4 or $5. This stuff is really good, and I often reach for it over my other high-end contour products. I have repurchased these Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliners probably 4 times at this point, like ever since it came out. This was the eyeliner that I wore on my wedding day, on my wedding reception. I did my own makeup, by the way. This guy over here, it is so creamy, black, pigmented. I can use it on my waterline. I can use it as my eyeliner. It tends to dry out, not immediately, but when I am like halfway through, I can see that the texture is slightly on the drier side, and I just add 1 drop of this Inglot Duraline and it is as good as new. I should say this is probably the only gel eyeliner that I like. I have tried other eyeliners from other brands, but I keep on reaching for this one. This is the best. Moving on, this Essence Lash Princess, like, do I need to even start? Do I? Tell me. Like, if you have been following me for a while, you must know my love for this mascara. It is like the best affordable mascara I have ever tried. It just gives my lashes the volume, length. It lasts all day long. It does not flake. It does not smudge. I personally do not experience any kind of clumpiness or, you know, a goopy situation with this product. I love the wand. It is like, I do not know, I have gone through probably like 10 of them already. This is a must-have in my collection, and I will run out and buy it as soon as I run out of this one. One more product and we are done, I promise. This lipstick from Flower Beauty. Like, this particular shade, it is actually my second time purchase, and if you have been watching my 30 days of 30 lipstick series, you must know how many lipstick I have. Like, this drawer over here, it is just for my lipsticks, this drawer. And if I am repurchasing one lipstick, that says how much I love it. I have gone through a like full bullet already, and this is actually a new one. You can see it is the shade, like this shade, Cinnamon Spice. Like, I have not seen any nude lipstick that is this flattering on my skin tone. Like, it goes well with everything. It's neutral. It's not like too warm. It's not like too cool toned. It's a neutral nude shade, and that is probably the reason why it goes well with so many eye looks or so many outfits that I wear. And it has a hint of pink, a hint of brown in it. It is just a beautiful, unique, nude everyday shade. This cannot be without this lipstick. Okay, the formula is so high quality, so high end, and it is a very similar formula to my MAC matte lipsticks. If you have your matte lipsticks in your collection, if you have this one, you can see what I'm talking about. It is one side pigmentation, very creamy, matte, and it lasts, I should say, up to 5 to 6 hours, and then I need to reapply it, which I do not mind at all. So yeah, this lipstick shade and this lipstick formula is like one of the best at the drugstore. That is it for today's video, you guys, and those are the products that if I run out, I will immediately go and buy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.